Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can download a Twitch clip from Twitch. So let's start. Because right now when you would open, you can save it, you can only save it as a web page. So what you're gonna do is, let's start it again. Right click on it, click inspect right here on the Twitch clip that you got. And now you're gonna see like the div class video player default player. Delete it all. And then you can simply download the clip, go to desktop version. And here, voila, here we go. Wait a second. Voila, here we have a Twitch clip. And this is how we do it in under 1 minute. If you enjoyed this video, guys, you can support and subscribe. You know how it works. I'll be really thankful for it. Thank you, everybody. And have a great day. And goodbye, boys and girls. Enjoy your life.